Welcome back to Product Critique, where we explore the best products across the globe. In today's video, we're introducing the best Plush Squeaker large dog toy, the Crinkle Duck by Best Pet Supplies. If you've been looking for a fun, safe, and mess-free chew toy for your furry friend, you're definitely going to want to stick around for this one. Let's jump right in. What makes this toy stand out from the rest is its stuffing-free design. That's right, no fluff means no mess. So whether your dog loves to chew, tug, or toss their toys around the house, you won't be cleaning up a pile of stuffing afterward. This is especially perfect for those pet parents who are tired of vacuuming bits of cotton after every play session. The toy is shaped like a cute, colorful duck. This particular one comes in a calming blue color and is sized large, but you'll be happy to know it's also available in small and medium sizes, plus multi-packs and several other colors. So no matter your dog's breed or size, there's a Crinkle Duck just for them. Inside the duck, you'll find two features that really engage dogs during playtime. The first is the crinkly texture embedded in the body. This creates a rustling sound when your dog bites or paws at it, grabbing their attention instantly. And the second is a built-in squeaker. It's placed inside the toy for an extra layer of interactive fun, making playtime both stimulating and rewarding. Beyond the fun factor, there's also a big benefit to your dog's health. The Crinkle Duck is gentle on teeth and gums. It's made of soft yet durable fabric, meaning it's suitable not only for playful puppies but also for older dogs with more sensitive mouths. This makes it a fantastic option for senior pups who still love to chew but need something a bit gentler. Because the toy is lightweight and has no sharp edges or choking hazards, it's great for indoor use. Whether your dog loves to carry it around the house or prefers a game of fetch, this toy is versatile enough to suit all play styles. Plus, the reinforced stitching helps it hold up to moderate chewing, so it's built to last longer than your average plush toy. And if you're gift shopping for a dog-loving friend, this makes a thoughtful, affordable gift. It's only $5.99 on Amazon and is frequently bought together with other popular toys, making it a budget-friendly addition to your pet's playbox. Finally, if you like to support small businesses, you'll be glad to hear this toy comes from a small pet brand that focuses on practical, high-quality supplies. It's shipped directly from Amazon, and international shipping is available, including to India, so dog lovers everywhere can enjoy it. So to sum it up, the Best Pet Supplies Crinkle Duck is fun, safe, mess-free, and suitable for dogs of all ages and sizes. If you're looking for something squeaky, soft, and designed with your pet's happiness in mind, this could be the perfect fit. Thanks for watching Product Critique. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button, subscribe for more product breakdowns, and let us know in the comments what your pup's favorite toy is. See you in the next one.